Hi, I'm Dan Brera, and we're going to take a look at using the archive function with Ideal Anywhere to create a zip file of a project. And we'll look at creating that file and bringing it back in. So there's two prime reasons to use this. One is when you're submitting test results to cabling manufacturers for warranty approvals. Often they'll want a single file with all the results, perhaps by email, or oftentimes to upload into their own portals. The other reason would be to back up the results of this job into a single file to transfer to another client or to back up for your own safekeeping. Even though our cloud server is continuously backed up, it's still an option that you would have. So to do that, you simply click on this Generate Archive icon for the projects you'd like to do that to. So we'll use this test project 1, and what that will do is start compressing those tests into a single zip file. And it just takes a little bit of time, but if we refresh, when it's completed, we'll see this symbol here, which shows that there is an archive available for download. So if I just refresh my browser, okay, so we see now that that file is available to download. So if I click on that, it's going to give me the option to download it. So that'll go into my downloads folder, and the default file name is going to be the name of the project with the current date and time that it is right now, with the zip file name. So I'll just click download, and that project has now been saved to my hard drive. Now, to import that project, I can be in any cloud account. So I can also bring it back into this cloud account just to show you as an example. So to do that, we'll click on Import and click on LanTEK IV job. And we'll go find a zip file that is a AnyWARE Cloud account. So I'll go to my downloads folder and just sort by date here. So we have test project 1, that's the zip file you just saw me create. So we'll import that, and it's going to give us the job name, test project 1, with the date and time. So it automatically appends the date and time, but you may not want that. You may just want the project itself. So I'll just delete that and call it test project 2, and update that name and select import. And then what that's going to do is create a new project and called test project 2. And we will start processing those tests and bringing them in. So I can just view the progress of that by clicking the reload symbol here. And we see now that there's all 12 there. Now you see in the original project, there were 36 tests in total with only 12 tested. When it makes the zip file or the archive file, it only does that to the tests that have been run, so either passed or failed tests, but it doesn't create an archive of the unexecuted results. So when I complete this project, I can do that archive function again and recreate that zip file with all 36 completed tests. And that way you'll see them all, but right now we just had 12 completed, so that's what was created in that archive file. Therefore, that's what we see when we import it back in. So I hope that explains how to create a zip file for archiving test results and transmitting them for warranty approval. Thank you for watching. I'm Dan Barrera.